There we go, the good old stainless steel 175. What I did was I left the Evolution wand here because that's a modern wand and it costs more than a couple $100. But what I wanted to do here was just take this cheap ass AW29 knockoff of an AW29. No $1,500 wand. Truck mount has a 33 blower and a 16 horsepower motor. I mean, cleaning at about 400 psi. No fancy tools, no $1,500 wand or $1,600 wand, no fancy $500 friggin' filter made from a, from a pipe, right? So what I did today was take care of the weather. Has been in the teens. Walk down. And I'm wearing a Aloha shirt and it's actually only in the low 30s tonight. Almost feels tropical. Took advantage of a hole in the weather we have to get this job done. Otherwise it's going to freeze next week and it's going to snow and everything. So so I said, just a 175 white pad with green stripes on it like everyone has. Left the Evolution wand right here. Used a simple, believe it or not, $135 AW29 knockoff. And a truck mount with a 33 blower. God, how can I clean that way? How can you absolutely clean that way? Not spend, have a $2,000 a month truck payment, a $1,500 wand, $2,000 CRB machine, and whatever you guys are using these days. So there we go. Here's the weather today. You have all the piles of snow. It's literally, I'm in a Hawaiian shirt, cleaning at the Panda. Thanks guys, all have a good evening.